In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with layers in Canva by adjusting the position of text and images. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to create well-organized and visually appealing designs. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or any other kind of digital graphics, understanding how to manipulate layers can really elevate your work. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll need to go to your Canva project. You can do this by opening the Canva website and logging into your account, if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to make changes. The design you've been working on should be right there waiting for you. If you're starting from scratch, you can quickly create a new design by choosing from Canva's various templates. Now that you have your project open, take a moment to assess the elements on your screen. Pay special attention to areas where the text and images overlap, as this is what we're focusing on today. Now, locate the text that is positioned in front of the image. You're probably noticing that the text might be blocking some important visual details in your image or just doesn't have the right balance. To adjust this, you'll need to select the text itself. With the text selected, you'll then right-click on it. When you right-click, you'll see several options pop up. One of these will be labeled Layer. This is the key feature we'll be using to reorder the elements in your design. Once you click on Layer, you'll see an option that says Send to Back. Click on this option. What this does is move the selected text behind the image, effectively changing the layer order of your elements. This can significantly alter how your design is perceived, ensuring that images take center stage and text complements them perfectly. And just like that, you're done. At this point, you should see your text neatly placed behind the image, giving the design a more professional and polished look. If you don't like the change, don't worry, Canva makes it easy to experiment. You can reverse the action easily by selecting Undo or by playing around more with layer options until you find the look that satisfies you. Remember, mastering these basic layering skills in Canva can really give you a lot of creative flexibility. Whether you're making a flyer, an Instagram post, or just experimenting with design, knowing how to control your elements' order is crucial. Feel free to explore and see how different layers interact. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.